guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're going to be making a chocolate strawberry banana protein shake in the Ninja Foodi blender. You guys, it's super easy. It's a great recipe if you love protein shakes. Super healthy as well. So we're going to be making that today. Now, I do want to let you know, if you're interested in any of the items that I used today in the video, be sure to check the description box below. I will have all the links, and if I don't, and you see something that you're interested in, let me know and I will add the link below. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more Ninja Foodi blenders coming your way on Nighttime Mommy Reviews. But let's go ahead and dive right into making this delicious chocolate strawberry banana protein shake. Alright, so what we're going to need today is 1/2 cup of protein powder. This is chocolate protein powder, and I'm using the one from Costco, the organic protein. And then I'm also going to need, or you're going to need, 2 cups of frozen strawberries and bananas. You'll also need 1 cup of yogurt. This is fat-free yogurt. And then 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Alright, so to get started, you're going to want to start with the frozen ingredients first because it gets them closer to the blade. And you can add your protein powder. Just dump everything in there. Your yogurt. Your cinnamon. And your vanilla. Alright, so we're going to turn our blender on. We're going to hit the Smoothie Cycle. We may need our tamper if we see that it starts getting a little stuck, so we can just force it down. Don't worry, this doesn't actually touch the blade. It's the perfect length just to push the ingredients into the blade so they can start chopping it up. But let's go ahead and do the Smoothie Cycle. Everything closer to the blade. Let's check it out. I'm going to put that into the yogurt. Okay, so let me actually get a fork so we can take a look at the consistency and see whether we need to do it a second time. Alright, we have a creamy smoothie here. I don't know if you could see it. Let me go ahead and pour it into a cup and we'll check it out. Okay, so I did clear everything off, but it's a thick consistency, kind of like ice cream. I want to show that. Okay, so I'm going to do the straw test. You have to use a little bit of force, but it's actually really, really good. And this is the recipe that I use for a chocolate strawberry banana shake. You could use, you can substitute the frozen strawberries and the frozen bananas and use fresh strawberries and fresh bananas, but you may need to add some ice to add some texture. Now this will obviously melt down and the consistency will change as it's in a room temperature. So this is just how you would make it though. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more Ninja Foodi blender recipes coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. But until next time, you guys have a great night.